I am Nadim, my ID number 17MKT043. Today my assignment topics discuss application of secondary data in computer mapping. At first, secondary data. Secondary data refers to data that has been previously collected, processed and made available for analysis by researcher, business or individual who are not directly involved in its initial collection. Secondary data refers to the provide that can be collected business for research. Second, computer mapping. At first, computer mapping, the general term used to describe the process of developing digital map for aerial photography, satellite image and global positioning system record, paper maps and arrival data source. At first, computer mapping is a very important factor. Discuss computer mapping. Application of secondary data in computer mapping, there are 6 categories. At first, base map correction. Base map correction provide of context of GAS. Secondary data source as photography system is a very important. There are second land cover mapping. Land cover mapping is a very important factor. Land cover mapping secondary data source as photography, image and satellite system. There are third demographic analysis. There are very important factor demographic analysis. Demographic analysis is the secondary data source of population. Then there are four factor environmental monitoring. Secondary data related of environmental monitoring. Environmental monitoring of climate system is very factor. There are 5 factor: transpiration and routing. Transpiration of routing is a very important 5 factor. There are photography system and providing system is a very important factor. There are 6 category of natural hazard mapping. There are last factor. Natural hazard mapping is the very important factor because there are 5 factors: base correction, land cover mapping, diagnostic analysis, environmental monitoring, transfer and routing is the very system creative value. Thank you all.